This is an overview of our Rube Goldberg machine. The objective is to put a golf ball into a cup.
The first energy transformation of the machine would be the transfer of kinetic energy. To start this machine, there will be a transfer of kinetic energy from the hands, which is launching the marble, to the marble itself, which will then roll along a flat surface.
The marble will hit a roll of tape, which transfers kinetic energy from the marble to the tape, causing the tape to move.
Kinetic energy is then transferred from the moving roll of tape to the model race car. There is then a transformation of gravitational potential energy to kinetic energy as the model race car rolls down a ramp.
The model car will reach the end of the ramp, which will hit the tail of a domino chain with kinetic energy. The gravitational potential energy in each domino will transform into kinetic energy, causing a domino chain reaction.
There is a transfer of kinetic energy from the last domino, which falls and hits the end of a vertical seesaw, causing it to move forward.
Following that, the bottom end of the vertical seesaw will transfer kinetic energy into the golf ball, which will cause it to move.
The golf ball then encounters a ramp, and gravitational potential energy of the golf ball is then converted to kinetic energy as it rolls down.
When the ball reaches the end of the ramp, it will transfer kinetic energy to an upright book.
Gravitational potential energy of the book is then transformed into kinetic energy as the force of the golf ball hitting the book causes the book to tip over.
The falling of the book causes the platform to be displaced because there is tension in the strings connecting the two objects.
Prior to the tipping over of the book, there is a weight resting on the elevated platform. When the platform is removed, there's a transformation of gravitational potential energy to kinetic energy as the weight falls.
There is a force of tension in the string that connects the weight and the top of the vertical seesaw. With the aid of a pulley, the weight falls, pulling the top end of the vertical seesaw backwards.
The bottom end of a vertical seesaw then moves forward, hitting the golf ball into the cup. And that's how you play golf.
Physics style!